Can the TDS meter show the sugar content in water? I did an experiment to find it out. First, we took 0 TDS water from a medical shop. Yes, it has 0 total dissolved solids. We accurately made 4 samples of 50 milliliters of 0 TDS water. We checked the initial TDS of each of the samples. We accurately weighted a fixed amount of sugar. We also weighted 1 sample of salt as well. We then dissolved sugar in 3 glass and salt in 1 glass, and made a solution. We then measured the TDS of each of the solution. A negligible increase in TDS was seen. Then, the TDS of the salt solution was measured. The salt solution showed a very high TDS value. This indicates that this type of meters can't measure the TDS of sugar. The main reason that the TDS meter does not detect sugar is that these meter measures the conductivity of the liquid. The sugar is neutral in charge, hence, no increase in TDS was seen with sugar water. The actual TDS of the sugar solution is much higher, which is not detected by these meters. The salt, however, is highly conductive, so the TDS meter can detect it accurately. Neutral compounds like sugar, alcohol, and many organic compounds cannot be detected by these TDS meters, which is essentially a conductivity meter. So, these TDS meters cannot measure sugar in water, as sugar being a neutral compound.